Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I am going to show you that how to buy any cryptocurrency tokens launched on based network based Ethereum chain. You will be easily buy any tokens launched on that tokens. It will be very much easier for you if you watch this video. Even a 5-year-old kids can do this if he properly watch my video. I'll guide you. For this you have to need two apps, Binance and Trust Wallet. These are the most two popular and famous app. First, what I'm going to do is buy some Ethereum. I have bought $5 of Ethereum. $5 is enough for you to start. I have bought the $5 of Ethereum. Now what I'm going to do is I'll go and click on withdraw Ethereum. Let me just show you. Now you need to click on Ethereum. Now send via crypto network. Now you need to copy the wallet address of your trust wallet on base network. For this you have to click on receive Ethereum and copy the wallet address on Ethereum base chain. Then paste it address and click on base network. You have to click on base network and any amount you want to send Ethereum on base chain, you just click on max, then click on withdraw. Here it will show you the process. Then you have to click on confirm. So now you will be transferred all your Ethereum tokens to the from Binance app to Trust Wallet app. It will transferred on the base chain network. So now it's processing. As you can see here that my $5 of Ethereum has been transferred from the Binance app wallet to my Trust wallet address which is on base chain. My $5 has been transferred on the base chain network in Trust wallet app. So now you can check it here. This is the process. You will need to transfer some Ethereum to Trust wallet app from any centralized exchanges. Now you are having Ethereum on base chain network. Now go to DEX screener website, find a tokens which are on base chain, then click on trade on Uniswap. It will take you to a website, Kyberswap and Uniswap. Both are the website where you can buy any tokens on base chain network. For this you need to click on Uniswap. Suppose I am clicking on Uniswap. Then first of all what you need to do is that you have to connect your wallet in the Uniswap website. So I am clicking here on wallet connect. It will take me to the wallets which I want to connect. So select wallet. I have click on select wallet. Then I will click on trust wallet. It will take me to the app redirect and then it will ask me for the permission to connect my wallet to Uniswap. So I will connect this and it will take some time to get connected on the website. As you can see my wallet has been connected. Now what I need to do is I need to put some amount of Ethereum. Whatever dollar I want to buy, I can buy on this. So you need to keep in mind one thing, that you should leave something a Ethereum amount so that it will need to deposit for your base network fees, deposit fees, sell fees, buy fees. So it is very less. Network fees is very less as compared to Ethereum gas fees. This is extremely less and super cheap, which makes it unique on base chain. Buying any meme tokens early as possible. As you can see, many Ethereum based tokens are extremely high gas fees on Ethereum blockchain, and on base blockchain it is extremely cheap. So now I have shown you how to buy. As you can see, I am approving and that's it. Now you will get the whatever amount of tokens you have put into buy. This is so simple that anyone can do. If you like my video, then press the like button and do subscribe to my channel. I'll give you the tokens which are newly launched on base chain Solana blockchain. If you also want to know how to buy tokens on Solana blockchain, then comment on my video. I will upload the next video on Solana blockchain, how to buy any cryptocurrency tokens launched on that base chain, Solana blockchain. So this is it for today. I'll see you in the next video. I'll share you with the new cryptocurrency tokens which can pump highly 50x 100x very easily in this bull market and are safe to buy. If you want more videos, then subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon if so that you can not miss any updates in the future.